they like to give me wake-up calls now.
Good morning. Did you look outside today? It's much worse than we expected. That storm, it's a category 4. It's growing fast. You need to get out.
It's gonna be tough to get out of the city.
Well, I have something for your mission. You see that envelope on the table?
ਗੱਡੀ ਲੈਂਬਗੀਨੀ ਪੀਲੇ ਰੰਗ ਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ